Hello and welcome to this video on how to make amazing content using Fliki AI in English. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, Fliki AI has something to offer for everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some tips and tricks on how to create engaging and high-quality content using Fliki AI. First, let's talk about what Fliki AI is. Fliki AI is an artificial intelligence-powered content creation platform that allows you to create amazing videos, images, and graphics without any prior design or technical knowledge. With Fliki AI, you can use Fliki AI to create compelling content. One of the best features of Fliki AI is its user-friendly interface. You can easily navigate through the platform and choose from a wide range of templates and designs that suit your content niche. Fliki AI also offers customization options that allow you to add your own personal touch to your content. Another great feature of Fliki AI is its AI-powered content suggestions. Fliki AI uses advanced algorithms to suggest content ideas based on your niche and target audience. This means you can create content that resonates with your audience and boosts engagement. So, there you have it, folks. That's how you can create amazing content using Fliki AI in English. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, Fliki AI is an excellent tool that can help you take your content to the next level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Fliki AI for yourself.